because it shows the coach that you're ready to be a part of his team. And welcome back to The Angry Teacher. This is Richard Williams, The Angry Teacher. If it's your first time here, welcome. Thanks for being a part of the family, at least paying attention to the video for a little bit. This is where we talk about education, all things education. I've been in education for about 18 years, and I've worked with athletes, academics, and you know the whole gamut. So I'm educating teachers, I'm educating students, whatever part of it, that everything that happens in my classroom, I'm taking it from my classroom to yours. So that's what we're all about at the Teacher channel. All right. So with that being said, I think today I'm going to talk about redshirting and what it is and how it works, because some of my younger athletes are coming in wanting to find out about it. I'm going to give you the little bit that I know. All right. If there's something that I didn't say or I should have said or I said incorrectly, please let me know down in the comments and I'll make adjustments. All right. So let's get into it. First off, a lot of athletes know what it is, but for the regular Joe Schmo like myself, what is redshirting? Well, redshirting is when a coach or an organization has athletes on a team, but they're not playing competitively. They're at practice, they're doing everything, but they're not allowed to compete because we're still honing the athlete skill and talent and building them to, be able to play on that actual team. And that's what redshirting is. Nothing too complicated. So there are four things that redshirting kind of does. The benefits of being redshirted, and it's, some athletes in high school think it's the end of the world and oh my God, I've gotten into college and now I can't play. Nah, at least you got into college and they're paying for it. So redshirting, the first benefit is it gets you settled on campus. As that new guy, that rookie, you don't know what's going on, you don't know where anything is. You get to play around, you get to see how practices are, you get to move around campus without, you still have to be on the team, but you're moving around campus, you're figuring out how the coach works, how the system works at that school versus your high school athletics. So it's not a bad thing. By all means, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for the next Angry Teacher Dope video. It gives you time to adjust from high school to college athletics. It gives you time for your body to kind of figure out, okay, this is serious, this is what I'm going to have to do. I can watch them play at the games. I see how or what is expected of me. I see how things work and how things should work, and then I can adjust myself to fitting that what they require. You get to see how other athletes act and what they do wrong or right, and then kind of fix it. So you're not thrown into the lion's den, if you will, and then you're being penalized right off the bat. You get to see what's punishable from your coach or from the organization that you've joined, and then now you can make adjustments before you actually join the team or play for the team. Yes, 5 years of college if your academic program is only 4 years. So that fifth year you can kind of you got a fifth year, so you can kind of pace yourself with what you're taking, how to take it. You can kind of focus on your academics a little bit more as well as your athletics, and you can kind of figure out, what do I want to do with my life? I can build my brand. I can build my physique. I can work on things before I leave and have to do things on my own or get an agent to do it. I can do all those things with that extra year of my being redshirted, my extra year of being in the in that organization or a part of that team. The fourth thing that redshirting does that benefits a player is that it helps you to mature. It gives you some time to mature, not just as an individual, emotionally, but it also helps you to develop your body type. It helps you to work on making better choices for your body athletically. It gives you time to work in the weight room. It gives you time to build stronger and better physiques. It also helps you figure out the mind of an athlete for that particular sport. You might need to get a little bit stronger when you've lost it, when you've let down the team, or whatever the reason is. It helps you build that emotional strength as well as the physical strength. Here's a disclaimer: redshirting is also used for in kindergarten, so it's not just about athletes, but it's also used for academic purposes, especially kindergartners. It gives them an extra year of kindergarten, so when they come in, they can build their socioeconomic. It can help them build their SEL, their socio emotional learning. They can build their social skills, their emotional skills when they have to be pulled away from mom every morning. They get to build their how to work in groups, how to share. There's so many things that redshirting does that are a benefit to whoever is being redshirted. So don't think of it as a negative. Go in it with your especially if, and I'm going back to college now, especially if they're paying for you to be there and for that extra year, or they're paying for you, just going to it with your heart ready to participate and be there at the team practices, be there at the games, and just give them 100%, because it shows the coach that you're ready to be a part of his team. Thanks for coming to class today. Go out there and be great.